This is the EV Rider Auto Fold Transport Scooter. So I'm going to show you right now what it looks like when it comes out of the box. So it will be coming in one of these boxes right here, like this one here. This is the actual box for this one, and we have several colors. But so this would probably be shipped UPS or FedEx, because this can easily be shipped by those regular carriers. When you get your scooter, this is the way it comes. This is the way it will come out of the box. Okay, it all like this. So the first thing you'd want to do when you get your scooter, your EV Rider scooter, is take the keys. You'll have 2 keys, and you have a fog and 2 keys. Take them off the arm, okay, and put your scooter like this. And the second thing you'll want to do is go over here. You have 2 blue cables. This is your power cable. You need to connect those 2 together. So you will connect these 2 blue cables together like this, okay? And then you have a power switch here, a kill switch or a power switch. When you turn that switch on, you can see the lights in the back. You can see the lights come on and come off. Start turning the power on. The next thing you would do after you get your scooter like this is take your scooter, put it down on the ground like this, then use your fog key right here and hit the green button, and you will see your scooter opening up. There you go. And then you'll pull your seat up. You'll pull your seat up. I guess it only stays up if you sit in it. You'll take your mat, and you will put your mat right here. And also you will take this foam off over here. And you can adjust the tiller right here. This is called a tiller, by turning this and lifting it up, and then retighten it right here. So when you take it out of the box, as I said earlier, you will take the charger off the box, off the top. There's a little charger that comes with it. This was already sitting on top. You'll take your charger off. You'll connect the blue cable right here. So when you get your scooter, do not forget, inside your plastic box, you will have the cover here. And do not forget it, because some of you are going to take the scooter out of the box and leave this little cover in the box and call me for it. You have to have this little cover right here, because when you're done, you will put the blue cable right here, the power cable that you connected earlier, you'll push it down in here like this, and you're going to put your little cover back on like this. Okay? So you have to push your cables back in here, and I'm assuming this is how it goes. There you go. You have to have this cable. So your scooter is ready to go technically right now. So this is how you take it out of the box. This is how you get it set up. This is your kill switch. You'll see your lights are on back here. And this is the way you take it out of the box. And with your keys, you have 2 keys, and you just put your keys ignition, and you're ready to go. This is how simple it is to take this scooter out of the box, which weighs 44-pound total weight. This is the EV Rider Auto Fold Transport Scooter. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.